County in northwest Vermont, western Orleans County in northeast Vermont, northwestern Washington County in central Vermont, southeastern Essex County in northern New York, eastern Chittenden County in northwest Vermont, northern Addison County in central Vermont, Franklin County in northwest Vermont, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:40 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms with a history of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These severe storms extended from exit 20 to I-89 to Essex Center to Chimney Point, and were moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. At 9:40 p.m., train spotters reported multiple trees and power lines down in South Burlington. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Lake Carmi State Park, Moncton, Richmond, New Haven, Underhill State Park, Richford, Johnson, Hanksville, Westfield, Stowe, Waterbury, Morrisville. This line of severe thunderstorms is also capable of producing deadly lightning and torrential rain. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling 802-863-4279 or submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Very heavy rain will also occur with this line of severe thunderstorms, which could flood low-lying areas quickly and cover roads with water. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Widespread wind damage is expected with this line of severe thunderstorms. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Take cover now. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight Wednesday morning for northern New York and Vermont.